Buongiorno and welcome to Enzo's Kitchen. Today is raining, so we need the comfort food. We need the food that makes us warm, makes nice and cozy. So what I'm gonna cook for you is lenticchie and chestnuts. Lentils and chestnuts soup. It's not a soup, it's like a starter because we're gonna do with pasta. And I'll show you the process one by one, and it's easy to do and you can do anytime. So the ingredients are lentils, onion, celery, carrots, tomato, and of course my chestnuts. I soaked the lentils and make sure that the lentils, the smaller the better. They're all different kind of lentils, but they're all good, they're all healthy. So we start with onion. Cut the onion very small bits of onion is good for you, and it gives the sweetness. We put some extra virgin olive oil on the pot, and when this is hot, we add the onion. We gonna have small pieces of carrots. Again, the smaller the better, because you don't want to cook for a long time. So nice small pieces. Put in the pot the onion and also the celery. Again, small pieces is better. Why lentils? Lentils, they are one of my best ingredients. Lentils is good for you, and you should have a lot. Again, the onion is sizzling. That's what I like to do. We have a nice hot water, boiling water. And what I'm gonna do with the boiling water, I'm gonna make any cheese on the tomato and throw in there for a few minutes because I wanna take it off the skin out of the tomato. When the onion is golden color, now we put carrot, the celery, look at that, yeah, stir it up and wait for 1 minute, and then we add the lentils. Last night at this amount of lentil, I soaked in water, and look how much amount did it come out of this. Make sure that, because you need to have the softness, like that they are very hard. So you want to have a nice soft lentil, and you put in there the pot, stir it, and let's see if the tomato is ready. Should be ready now. Yeah, let it cool it down a little bit, and add some water in the lentil. Okay, then you cover it up for time because it needs to cook. You need to have a nice and moist. You see, the incision that I put on the tomato made me take it off the skin easily. Look at that. It's so easy to take the skin off, and in this dish you don't want skin. The last thing you want is the skin. Okay, then you cut these small bits and put this as well in the sauce, yeah. Add some more of the hot water, and at this stage we add some salt, not too much again, just enough, and some pepper. There we are. and some more water. If you have a stock, it's even better, but water is fine. Now let's cook for 15-20 minutes, and in the meantime we're gonna be using pasta. What we're gonna do with the pasta is very simple. We need a little bit of pasta, and you put in a cloth. We're gonna do little small pieces of pasta. So we cut with the hands like that. And close off the cloth and press it. Can you hear the noise that the pasta is breaking bit by bit? And put in a plate. Yeah. There you got nice small spaghetti cut. Look at that. Here is cooking. Add some more water. Add the spaghetti in, and in 5 minutes should be ready to be served. We are now in the final stage of the pasta. What we need to do is the dish ready, and the chestnuts. Chestnuts, they are this like marron glacé. They've been cooked and glazed. So we cut in half. If it's dry chestnut, which I prefer dry chestnut, of course you have to do the same process as the lentils. You have to soak it overnight. Okay, the chestnuts, they go in. A nice stir up. Look all the color, the smell, the flavor is lovely. I love this soup. Now we need to dish up. That's ready. Oh, look this chestnuts. The pasta is very nice. Now what we need to do is simple. A little bit of the best oil you have, and ladies and gentlemen, here you got the minestrone lentils with the pasta for you and your friend. Enjoy it. Thank you. If you like this video, subscribe in my channel and put a like. I'll see you soon. Thank you very much, and see you next time.